Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of cross product. So as per the problem, verify that rule P cross Q plus R is equal to P cross Q plus P cross R is true for the following vectors. And we are given the three vectors P, Q and R. So we will evaluate both sides of the rule equation and see if we get the same result. So let's start with the left side. So first we will add the vectors Q and R. So we should add their X, Y and Z components. So this is the sum of vectors Q and R. Now we'll do the cross product for the vector P and this sum of vectors Q and R. So to do the cross product, we should stack the y, z, x and y components of these two vectors. Now we can start by calculating the x component of the cross product of these two vectors. So we should cross multiply their y and z components starting from the top and going across to the bottom and minus bottom across to the top. So this is the x component. Now we can find the y component. So we'll cross multiply the z and x components. And now we can find the z component. And we should cross multiply the x and y component. So the cross product is a vector whose components are -3, 2 and 5. So this is the result we got for the left side of the given rule equation. Now let's evaluate the right side of the rule equation. So first we have to do the cross product for vectors P and Q. Now we can stack their y, z, x and y components. Now we can do the cross multiplication to find the cross product of these two vectors. So let's start with the x component. So we should cross multiply the y and z component. Next, we can find the y component by cross multiplying the z and x components. And now we can find the z component. So the cross product is the vector -3, 10, and 1. So next, we should find the cross product of vectors P and R. Now we can stack their y, z, x, and y components. So we can calculate the x component of the new vector by cross multiplying the y and z components. Now we can find the y component. Now we can calculate the z component. So the result of the cross product of vectors P and R is the vector 0, -8, 4. Next, we should add the results of the cross product of vectors P and Q and P and R. So we can add their x, y, and z components. -3 plus 0 is -3. 10 plus -8 is 2. And 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So we get the same vector that we got from the left side of the rule equation. That proves that the rule equation is true for the given vectors P, Q, and R. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.